6310 North 84th Lane in Glendale, Arizona. So this home right here is just hitting the market. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 3-car garage. Has a pool, has a den area. It is pretty much move-in ready for its new lucky homeowners. Right here we are walking through the neighborhood a little bit. It's kind of at the end of the street here. If we kept going straight ahead, you would end up in front of a golf course, which is pretty awesome. We also have the Westgate shopping area, which is one of my favorite places to go. It's pretty centrally located. You're about 20 minutes to the Phoenix airport. Another fun fact, let's see, the 101, you're about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how much traffic is bound up over there. But yeah, we'll take a walk through this property. Again, it's 6310 North 84th Lane in Glendale, Arizona. If you're not familiar with Glendale, Arizona, we did host the Super Bowl a couple years ago. So pretty famous area. And for kicks and giggles, this home right here is actually about 3 minutes walking distance to that stadium. So if you are a sports fan, this could be a great property for you. All right, so we're inside now. So it's pretty open and spacious when you walk in. We have laminated floors over here. They're kind of a honey gold color. That's more or less the color of the floors, where it kind of has a more reddish tint when you go this way. It's actually more of a browner tint. All right, so right here, I know that there was a 50-inch TV hung there, so you do have a spot for that big TV, and this was used more as a gaming room, so there was a pool table in here. Other different things you could do with this room, make it a formal sitting area, maybe a playroom for the kids. All different aspects. These are kind of my favorites. These are called plantation shutters. So if you're not familiar with these, they kind of open and close. Super cool. For those of you that want to clean the windows, check out that access right there. Let's just open those up and boom, baby. Now you can clean those windows. Awesome. The other good thing is if you're going out of town or you just want some privacy, you can literally shut these all up with just a flick up of the hand. And bam, shade for days. So we're gonna keep walking through and see what we have next. Well, this is that den area, so it's a super cool little area. If you are needing a 5th bedroom or a room that needs to be enclosed in, it would be kind of easy to get that done right here. It would have, of course, changed the aesthetic when you walk in, but because you have that big room over here, I don't think it would really matter. So yeah, you probably could pull a 5th bedroom off in this floor plan if you needed to. And we're gonna walk straight ahead here. So you can either take a left or you can take a right. I say, let's check out the bedrooms. So we're walking through, we're gonna hit one of the secondary rooms. They all pretty much look like they're the same in size. I know that they could fit a queen bed in each of these very comfortably, and one of them actually had a king size bed in it. There wasn't much other furniture, just a couple nightstands and a bureau over here. Just so you can kind of get a feel. Closets are the traditional, they all pretty much look the same. These ones are a little fancier. They do have some built-in options. Super cool. Bedroom number 2. It is just flipped on over. Sizing is pretty similar. It has these really cool lights up here. So they are black and gold in color. Now we're back over here. This closet is not as fancy. This is what I was predicting would happen when I opened that first one. I'm gonna head this way. This house actually has something that's super cool. Intercoms. Yes, many of you are unsure what I'm looking at and what I am talking about. when I can get Josh in here, maybe I'll do a demonstration. So you can literally talk to someone in any room of the house just talking through that intercom system. And this home has it pretty much in every room. It's definitely not a cheap thing to do to a property. I was kind of trying to find a system because I thought it was a pretty good idea. And I thought it was about, and I think back, I think it was about $2,000 to $3,000 for something decent. Fancy thermostats right here. And this is the master bedroom. It is a nice, large master bedroom. Back of the home, so very private. You do have access to the backyard. Right here is a little view. Oh, we do have the pool man here today, so we're getting the pool service, which is super cool. Keeping it clean and neat. The color of this home is a traditional, very well-known gray color in Arizona. It's pretty popular, pretty basic. Doesn't throw anything off. And I just want you to get a feel for the height of this. So the ceilings are pretty tall in this bedroom. All right, and we're gonna come back through this way and, oh my gosh, it's a door. Okay, if you are living in Arizona, you are gonna understand why this is one of the most craziest things that you could see. The bathroom has a door. Little inside Arizona joke, maybe, possibly. So we have a lot of cabinet space in this bathroom. So right here, you got that nice sink. And over here. We'll walk this way. So as your regular little hidden toilet in its own little private area. And then the shower. So this is it right here. This is the master shower. Nothing too fancy, but gets to the point. You got 2 seats. Got a nice shower head right there. I'm gonna head on out over here. We have the master closet. So this closet's also done up pretty nice. Lots of storage, added racks. Pretty good size. And look at this shoe wall. Look at this. Fill it up. This, of course, would probably be Josh's section. My poor husband gets the smallest part of the closet I can find, and sometimes it's in another room. But that's just how we do things. Okay, now let's take a look at this floor. It's different. I don't know if I like it. I don't know if I hate it, but it works. It's in great condition. It's kind of a hunterish green tone, so gives you that little Wizard of Oz feel as you're walking through. And again, these floors do appear a little bit more redder, but could just be the lighting. Because as we go down, it changes tone. All right, we're gonna head to the other side of the house now. Oh, wait a minute, we forgot this bathroom. Okay, so the second bathroom, you have the traditional tub and shower combo, little fancy back wall, double mirrors, vanity. It's pretty basic, but in good condition. And that right there is the front door where we came in. So this home does have great storage closets. Here is a coat closet. We're gonna come back down the hall over here. This one right here, great for linens, towels, maybe some more shoes, maybe the husband's closet. All right. Now we are entering the kitchen. So it's a pretty kitchen. So this countertop right here, it's pretty unique. Another unique piece in this home. This is called a Corian. So it's not a granite, it's not a quartz. It's a heavy duty hard, lasting system, easy to do repairs on. I'm told by many that it's indestructible. I have no idea. I'm not really sure. I'd want to find out if it is or isn't, but that's the kind of countertop you have there. You do have water filtration. All right, that's great. That's going to keep you hydrated with some clean water. We have black stainless appliances in here, and that's a pretty nice LG dishwasher, and it looks like all the appliances match, which is pretty cool. So everything is black stainless LG. This property also has gas, so many of us understand how cool that is too. A nice gas stove versus the electric stove. Sometimes that's a big important factor for some of my home buyers. They definitely want the homes with gas. And out here in Arizona, not all of them have it. So it's definitely something to think about when you start that home search, to make sure you're thinking of small things like that, that you didn't know were not offered everywhere. All right, let's see here. So double-sided fridge, lots of storage in here too. Home is clean, ready to move in. This one right here too, we have a pretty sufficient sized pantry area. So if you are on Instagram Reels or YouTube, I'm sure you've seen conversions of this pantry into an amazing pantry where you take all these cabinets out right here and you put countertop, have a little bit of electric installed and shelving, and then you put your fancy canisters up there. I mean, it's pretty cool looking. If it's something that you were thinking you want to do, you do have the space for that here. You have a pretty large island, definitely fit 4 seats comfortably, possibly 5, depending on the stools. And then this, super cute. We have a breakfast nook. Some more fancy lights right here. And views of the backyard, which are awesome. And I'm gonna bam you right now, and bam, baby. So windows in this home are in really good shape too. We do have hot summers out here, so sometimes the windows do see some bulging, some seam situations, rustiness too. It's kind of weird, and dirty tracks. Are these tracks clean? Oh, good. The cleaners did a good job. So a lot of times the windows will have a hard time opening, and doors and sliding glass doors, because you forget to clean that crevice there that the door opens on, and it causes it all to get stuck. So you want to make sure the tracks are cleaned and lubed all the time, especially when you're getting ready to sell, because the home inspector is going to call all that out. All right, gotta breathe. Can't even catch my breath. I'm trying to get everything in at once. Well, this is a great security door to the backyard, which is pretty awesome. So it has an extended covered patio, which is pretty nice. So it comes right off of the family room. You do have a doggy door there, so if you have a little friend. And you kind of have 2 areas. You could set this up with a living area, kind of like a living room set, like maybe like chairs and a lounger. And then this side you could put a dining room set, or vice versa. This is access to the master bedroom, which, boom, hit the pool, go take a shower. Hey, Josh. Hey. So he's out here cleaning and maintaining the pool. Yes, the Dansereau group does have a pool man if needed. Oh, all right, in the back of this property, it's pretty quiet, as you can see. There is a school directly behind the house. So if you have those little ones, look at this. You can like boost them right over. They can jump up, grab your hands, and that's their walk to school. All right, we're gonna come this way over here. So this property does have turf. And yes, it is covered in leaves. The landscapers have not showed up yet. We're hoping sometime today to get this cleaned up before we host open house tomorrow. Still a very pretty backyard though. Check out those trees, and yes, those are kind of a pine tree right there. How cool. So outside storage, there is a storage shed. And this storage shed, it has your screens to the house. It has all the pool cleaning stuff, anything that the home's gonna need. We got some extra paint in here. So all that's gonna come with the property, so you're ready to rock and roll when you move in. On this side of the house over here, we have the pool equipment. And we have two massive Trane, T-R-A-N-E, HVAC systems. And a lot of weeds down there. Promise, the landscaper is coming for that. And we're gonna head back inside. I don't know, maybe he's gonna be the landscaper now. I'm gonna head back in this way. So another little cool thing about the property is you do have access to the garage from the backyard also. So that's gonna be right there. I know it's locked, so we're not gonna try to go in. Yeah. Oh, and here's another intercom. All right, and we are headed back in. We're gonna just fast-paced walk and do the exit out the door. Oh wait, I did forget one area. How could I forget that? The laundry room. So you do have indoor laundry. This laundry room does have a gas connection. So you would be able to put a gas dryer in here. Also, something else you could do is maybe put a countertop right there or some kind of hanging system. You have room for that. We will check out the garage. Oh, kind of. So we're still getting rid of stuff. So all this will be gone before the home is closed on. Just some of their extra belongings. But here's the door to the outside. So, yep, garbage goes right there. You would go out that gate, come back in here. We do have irrigation watering systems in Arizona. Oh, this one is locked. I'm not really sure why. But that right there, just when you buy your first property, you'll see that there's a lot of plants. And how do those plants get watered? Well, it's right through that box. The box has a timer in it, and it's hooked up to a watering system. So it'll be kind of like an automatic effect for you every day, which is needed out here. It's pretty hot, and you're definitely not going to want to water those plants every day yourself. This right here is a soft water unit, which is pretty cool to have. And I always tell my clients, like, you definitely want to put a watering system in the garage. We have pretty hard water out here, meaning it's just going to save your pipes, save your hair, save your skin, all the real important stuff, of course. And it's under a $1,500 expense installed and purchased, I believe. I don't think it's something that's undoable. And it's just a good thing to have and maintains your property. Well, that's it, everyone. If this is a home that you think you'd like to see and you want more info than I've given on, you know what to do. Subscribe. Well, everyone, it was great taking you through this home. If you want more info, if there is something that I missed or something that you had questions on, please let me know. This property won't last. It is ready to go and ready for a new homeowner. Hopefully it's you.